Hello, everyone. Welcome to the second episode of VR editor streaming or editor streaming for VR applications. So, in the previous video, we showed you how you can start streaming your VR application from Unreal Editor. But now we're going to fix the two of the issues which are by default in the template of the Unreal Engine, the built-in template. So last time we saw that the after the starting the stream, Habib was stuck in the ground. He could look around. He could do some input, but he he was stuck. So we're going to fix that problem now. So let me close the stream now. So the first issue was because of the player start location. So if I click on this player start, or I can search in the outliner player start, and it will give me this location. If you look at it closely, you'll notice that it has a red marker on it saying bad size. The reason this sign shows up is because the location is not correct. So I'm simply going to change its location and move it up 100 units. Looks like it is not enough. Let's try 110, 120. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time to actually update. So maybe 100 was actually enough. Let me move it back to 100 again and save it. Okay, looks like it's no longer complaining. So, Habibur, why don't you give me a new port number?
Sure.
So while Habibur is giving me a new port number, I'll just recap what we said last time. We said that we're going to add two parameters to the uh, launch parameters. And since the URL for pixel streaming, the first part, the address is the domain, and the address is going to be the same when using Eagle 3D streaming. We only need to know the port number. So Habibur is going to start a new session of remote editor streaming, and he will just give me the port number.
So the port number is 50869.
508, 6, and 9. Okay, and the stream just started. So Habibur, you should see that your initial location is good. You are above the ground now, but probably a new problem will arise now. Let's see how it is. Why don't you try looking around, walking around?
Okay. I am standing on the ground. So I'll try to move now. Oh, after moving, I am again stuck in the ground.
Okay, so this is another bug. I'm going to debug this issue one more time. So I'm going to stop the stream and I will find my player pawn. Okay, so now I'm going to open my VR pawn. Now let's find the function for teleporting the player after movement. So here we have an input action teleport. This looks like it is the correct one. So here we have a teleport trace and a try teleport. So this one is for trace and this one is for the player location. So if we look at here, it is teleporting the actor itself. So we can dig deeper into the code, but for a quick fix, just to see how it works, how to debug the application, I'm just gonna add the same 100 units to the Z location of the teleport destination. So let's add 100 to it and connect it to this one here. Compile, save, and let's go back to editor preferences. Habibur, can you give me a new one?
Sure. The port number is 50891.
50891. Okay, and let's start the stream. Okay, why don't you go ahead and test it?
Sure. So I'm on the floor, and now I'm trying to move. Yes, I'm not stuck in the ground anymore. I can move.
Very well. Looks like the teleport functionality is fixed. This is a perfect example of debugging your application, your VR application, without owning a VR headset. So again, in this scenario, I am an Unreal developer who doesn't have a VR headset, but Habibur is acting as a client who has a VR headset. And we could easily debug the game without owning one. And that's it for today's video. Thank you again, guys, so much for joining. I hope I can see you in the next videos. Habibur, do you have any finishing words?
Yeah, thank you everyone, and I hope you have enjoyed our live stream.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.